Figure I'd jump on here and show you my latest project. Sad thing is, that's not it. Really didn't have any plans on buying another one, but this one popped up. Really what got me into it was the fact that someone said, I guess apparently it was going to take $10,000 to fix it. Salvage title, 12 Boss 302, 53,000 miles on it. And really just to hear someone say that it's going to take $10,000 to fix this thing kind of cracked me up. But here it is, sitting in the driveway. Make matters even worse, I was going to fix it myself, but then I said, you know what, I'm going to give him every benefit of the doubt. I'm going to send it to a body shop and have them do it. Let's go in and take a look at the damage. You can see up in here where it's bowed, but replace the radiator support. Radiator support's a couple $100 for a Ford one. Gonna need these two down here, the guides for it. AC still works. Radiator's busted. Radiator's busted because the support is in on it right there. New one of those. But a little bit about the car, I guess. Maximum Motorsports caster camber plates. It's got some kind of springs on it. I don't really know what they are. Don't care. Strut tower brace still straight. Wheels look good. Cheap tires. Cheap tires. You can look through there and you start to see, yeah, it's worth saving. Not because of a rear suspension piece, but let's take a look at it. Huh. Interesting. Somebody already started doing some stuff. Not a big fan of this, I don't know, probably MBRP or solo exhaust, some crap, but anyway. If I find some Borlas, I'll still be underneath 25,000. Lowered down nice. Comp orange. I was kind of surprised to find out that they made more comp oranges than any other color. I thought it was more of a rare ride. Could be wrong, but I was surprised. JLT, catch can. Don't have to fix an airbag. Oh boy. Oh. Let's go ahead and see what happens here. Hold on. tow truck driver that bought it. Couldn't figure out where reverse was, which was funny. But there she is. I don't know if it was a challenge, but I accept whatever it was. I honestly think I could part it out for $25,000. I honestly think if I parted it out, I could get $25,000. Yep. So, nice car, believe it or not. Sounds like it might have a little exhaust leak, but no biggie. It's no worse than the other one I got in the driveway. Recaro seats, I'll probably switch them out for cloth ones just because I'm not going to ride around. Plan on putting miles on this car and driving it, roll cage. Probably put a supercharger on it. So, well, I'll update you. It's going to leave today to go to a body shop. A lot of the parts are already ordered. Have to be inspected, but that's no big deal. Check on this guy. I'm a coworker. He ain't got a clue. He just wants to know when it's time to eat. That's why we call him Chuck Wagon. So, yeah, keep you posted. I'll do an update on it when I get some parts. Go down and see Rob at the parts farm. I'm sure he's got everything I need. Because really, all the front bumper has to come from a GT or a Boss, but the fenders, I mean, you could use V6 fenders, core support, V6. So, not really too worried about it. But like I say, let me sign off. Let me get to work. I'll get this thing out of here, and I'll keep you updated. Y'all have a good weekend, man. Have a happy Easter. 25,000, huh?